Welcome to the Smart English Academy. Here we learn simple English through real-life stories. Clear, easy, and smart.
Have you ever wanted to make someone's special day perfect? Sometimes we plan everything carefully, but things don't always go as we expect. That's okay, because love and effort are what really matter. Today, Emma will share a story about her mother's birthday, how she tried to make it special, and what she learned from the experience. While you listen, you will learn useful words about family, gifts, and celebrations, how to talk about feelings like love and surprise, and simple phrases to use when you talk about birthdays in English. Are you ready? Let's get started.
I'm Emma, and I want to tell you about my mother's birthday last month. It was a day I'll never forget, though not for the reasons I had planned. My mother has always been the most generous person in our family. She would do anything for us, and I wanted to show her how much I appreciated everything she had done for me over the years. Her birthday was on a Saturday, and I had been planning something special for weeks. On Friday afternoon, I went to the shopping center to buy her gift. I had saved money from my part-time job because I wanted to get her something really nice. At the jewelry store, I saw a beautiful silver necklace with a small heart pendant. "How much is this one?" I asked the shopkeeper. "It's 60 pounds, but it's our last one," she replied. "Would you like me to wrap it for you?" "Yes, please. It's for my mother's birthday tomorrow." I felt so proud walking home with the perfectly wrapped gift. I had also planned to cook her favorite meal, homemade lasagna, and invite my younger brother Tom to join us. The next morning, I woke up early and started preparing everything. I had just put the lasagna in the oven when I realized something terrible. I had completely forgotten to buy a birthday card. How could I give my mother a gift without a card? All the shops were closed because it was too early. I felt awful. If I had remembered earlier, I wouldn't have had this problem. I sat at the kitchen table, feeling like the worst daughter in the world. Then I had an idea. I found some colored paper and markers, and I made a card myself. I drew flowers and wrote, "Dear Mom, thank you for being the most amazing mother. I love you more than words can say. Happy birthday." When Mom woke up, I gave her the necklace and my handmade card. She looked at both gifts and started crying, but they were happy tears. "Emma, this is the most beautiful card I've ever received," she said, hugging me tightly. "You made this yourself?" "I'm sorry, it's not a proper card from the shop," I said. "Are you kidding? This is much better than any store-bought card. You put your heart into it." That day taught me something important. It's not about how much money you spend or how perfect everything is. What matters most is the love and effort you put into making someone feel special. My mother didn't care that I had forgotten to buy a card. She was just happy that I had taken the time to make something personal for her. Now, whenever I give someone a gift, I always include a handwritten note. It makes everything more meaningful.
Okay, that's Emma's story. Now let's learn some useful English words from the story. These words will help you talk about birthdays, family, and celebrations, and improve your English skills. After we go through the vocabulary, I'll ask you some questions to check your listening. If you listened carefully to the story, you will be able to answer easily.
Generous, meaning kind and happy to give or help others. From the story, my mother has always been the most generous person in our family. More example, Sarah is very generous. She always shares her snacks with her friends. Appreciate, meaning to feel thankful for something. From the story, I wanted to show her how much I appreciated everything she had done for me. More example, I really appreciate your help with my homework. Forgotten, meaning not remembered. From the story, I had completely forgotten to buy a birthday card. More example, I had forgotten to take my umbrella and it started to rain. Awful, meaning very bad or unpleasant. From the story, I felt awful. More example, she felt awful after missing her friend's party. Tear up, meaning to get tears in your eyes because of strong emotion. From the story, she looked at both gifts and started crying, but they were happy tears. More example, he teared up when he saw his childhood home again.
Why did Emma feel proud walking home from the jewelry store? How did Emma solve the problem of forgetting to buy a birthday card? What emotions did Emma's mother show when she received the gift and card?
All right. Did you like today's video? Tell me in the comments. I hope you enjoyed Emma's story and learned some new words about birthdays and family. If you want to learn even more vocabulary, I've made a special PDF just for you. Check the video description to download it. And don't forget, the answers to the questions are in the first comment below. Thank you so much for watching.